Rain is playing hide and seek with us. Once it comes, then goes away. ಮಳೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಬೆಳಂದೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. It was raining in Belandur. In HSR, no rain at all. What a bad luck, bro. It started raining. This is the final look. क्यों दीदी? Why are you feeding the same thing to the baby every day? ये उसमें कोई पोषण भी नहीं है, तो I'll make something today. And she made it. This is some different recipe which my cook made for the baby today. Then the entire house, where is she? Sits together and watches my own vlog on TV. Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath, and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. It's a Saturday today, but we woke up early because Babu woke up early. I woke up around 8:30. Okay, 8:30 is early for me now these days. So I made homemade Cerelac for her, and Guruji fed her. And now our cook is late today. She said she's supposed to come at 8 a.m. She said she'll come at 9:30. So anyways, I am having breakfast at 12 p.m. So how does it matter? Have some plans today. We plan to go to Agara Lake here in HSR. HSR layout. There's a on the main road, outer ring road. There's a Agara Lake, which is very beautiful, huge lake. You can walk around the lake and run around the lake. People practice marathons and all there. And there is a children play area and outdoor gym also. So we're planning to go there today. I hope my baby enjoys and you enjoy the vlog too. Let's get started. I had a bath, and here I am seeing my baby on my cook's hip. When she sees her, she wants her to be carried. And then I did my morning puja and offered flowers to the god and agarbatti. That's our small prayer place. My breakfast poha. We had breakfast now at 12:15. And then the entire house. Where is she? Sits together and watches my own vlog on TV. अगर हमारा वीडियो हम खुद टीवी पे नहीं देखेंगे तो और कौन ही देखेगा? First we have to watch, no? This is some different recipe which my cook made for the baby today. So for Babu Gayatri, we make we give her ukde sheet, that is brown rice, boiled brown rice, and some carrot and beans smashed. We put all of this together in mixer and we used to feed her. We stopped doing it. We just fed her boiled rice which was mashed. My cook was like, "Kyun didi? Why are you feeding the same thing to the baby every day? ये उसमें कोई पोषण भी नहीं है, तो I'll make something today." And she made it. She put half cup rice and half cup moong dal, and then palak, some 2-3 spinach, 2-3 palaks leaves, and then corn, then carrot and beans, and yeah, beetroot. All this together she put in the same cooker, and everything together in the same cooker, and she just boiled all of that for multiple whistles until everything gets mashed by itself, so you don't have to mash anything on your own. So that's what she did. And then a little bit salt, and then ghee. This is what we did together, put together and fed the baby today. Corn is optional, that I don't think it will digest easily for the baby. Let me know in the comments if you want detailed recipe. Also, if you're watching the video without hitting that like button, please don't do that.
Okay.
Hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. I'm starting to almost like daily vlog now, so there's alternate day vlogs coming up on the channel. So you hit that bell icon and subscribe button so that you don't miss out on new videos. And you can also support me by hitting that hype button. Yeah, let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. Thanks for all your support. Your support means the world to me. And that's what we had for lunch, some corn sabzi and roti and cucumber. The time is 4:30 almost, so let's get quickly ready, change of clothes and some makeup, and let's go to the Agara Lake. This is the lipstick Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte. This is Lakme Iconic Kohl. Hey, this is the final look. My daughter already pulled something from there. Oh my god. I'm a huge fan of red lipsticks. Let me know in the comments if you have tried any other brand. This is Maybelline. Let me know in comments any other brand you have tried of this kind of red lipsticks and you loved it. I'd love to try them. Let me know in the comments, are you a red lipstick fan or are you a nude lipstick fan? And yeah, I need red lipstick, different other brands recommendations. This is a cutie cap which she has gifted to her by my friend Nisha Nayak. She doesn't wear any other cap, but she likes this one because it has those eyes and that mouth and all that. No, she likes it. What a bad luck, bro. It started raining here. It started raining here. Other times I would have enjoyed this rain, not today. This is miracle. This is near HSR. Look at the sky. Where is rain here? हमारा ही कार गीला होके आया था. इस साइड में कोई बारिश नहीं है. Something to learn from Bangalore weather is, if it's raining, don't sit at home thinking it's raining. Step out. Who knows where you want to go? That place may not have rainfall at all. ಮನೇಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಮಳೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. And we reached the Agara Lake. It's very beautiful, and especially during monsoon, rainy season, it's ultra beautiful. Have you been to Agara Lake? Let me know in the comments. Finally, we reached, but it's very cloudy, dark, black clouds though. See, black clouds. There's a uh, public gym kind of outdoor gym. People exercise here. Gara Lake has a children's park, children's play area. I did not know that. I thought it's just walking area. So if you have small kids, come early. Otherwise, there's a lot of crowd. It's a public park, right? A lot of crowd will be there. Come by 4 p.m. Now it's already 6 when we came here. This is like a butti jokali, so the smaller kids can sit in it. They'll have good support, no risk of falling. One park is here, another one is there that side. Two parks. Two. अरे दो साइड से वीडियो चल रहा है. दीदी वहां से ले रही है. दीदी की वीडियो में मैं, मेरी वीडियो में दीदी. It's getting windy. Looks like it may rain here. She's enjoying it. She doesn't want to come outside it. Outside of it, we asked her, "चलो दूसरा खेलते हैं." She doesn't want to come. It kind of drizzled, so everybody came inside this hut kind of this place. Now the rain went away. Everybody went back. नहीं है, 2 मिनट के लिए आया था बस. Small few droplets. That's it. Now no more rain. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಟ್ಟಿ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ. ಈಗ ಜೋರ್ ಬಂತು ಮಳೆ. Rain is really playing hide and seek today. Now it's not raining anymore. We left from Agara Lake as it got dark and reached a new Mangalore store. This is our Mangalore Udupi Angadi, where you get all the Udupi Mangalore food items and vegetables. Alsande, Pagila, and Jivkadgi, Gaunchi Band, Uruda Bende, Tendle, Matti Gulla, and Kori Roti. tea. Wow. When we come here, we shop like as if पूरी दुकान खरीद के लेके जाएंगे. This was just half the shopping, and this small basket was also not enough for us. It overflowed. And we're going home. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಸ್ಟೋರಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ವಿ. ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಸ್ಟೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಊರಿದ್ದು ಅವರ್ ಉಡುಪಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಲಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಟು ಈಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಬಾಟ್ ಲಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಈಟ್, and when we go there we take a huge bag and go, and we take that Geetanjali silks bag, big bag. True Udupi person. Do you also carry Geetanjali silks bag when you go around? Let me know in the comments. And we reached home. Too much drama happened. Babu kind of started feeling sleepy, started crying in the car horribly. Somehow we made it to home, and then we fed her and we put her to sleep. So we ordered it from Cult Eat Fit thali, there rice bowl. I'll show you. One bowl. This is one bowl. This is lasuni methi, jeera rice, soya matar sabzi, and then this one is butter paneer, jeera rice, and aloo gobi. I love this, but I'm fed up of eating this over and over again. I love the lasuni methi, but I have eat it like every other time we order the same thing. So true, now I tried butter paneer and aloo gobi. मोबाइल देख के खा रहा है, क्या आदमी है ये?
तुम्हारा हाथ में क्या है फिर?
मैं ब्लॉग कर रही हूँ. ಇದು ಬಟರ್ ಪನ್ನೀರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹುಳಿ ಉಂಟು, ಒಂದು ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಸೂಪ್ ಥರ ಆಯಿತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪನ್ನೀರ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗೆ. I had a good time. Hope you had a great time watching the video too. The time is around 1:30 in the night, and I'm very very sleepy, but I am editing a vlog which I want it to go live tomorrow, that is Sunday on May 10th, and that is Pragya's birthday celebration vlog. If you haven't subscribed, why bro? Why no subscribe? Please subscribe. Let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026, and let me know about the feedback of the vlogs that I'm uploading almost alternate day. Do you like it? Do you want vlogs like these? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to read your comments, and you can support me by hitting that like button and hit that hype button also. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.